It's been over 100 years. Years of manufacturing and engineering. 100 years of technology and quality. 100 years of comprehensive fluid management. This is, however, the story of a project which made KBL realize that pumping was not merely an engineering process. It was an idea emerging out of purpose, an infinite thought which saw no boundaries, no limits. It was a philosophy which made us realize that for over 100 years, KBL had been enriching lives. This is the story of the Saurashtra Branch Canal pumping scheme. The Sardar Sarovar Concrete Gravity Dam stands today as one of the highest dams and undoubtedly the largest water resources project in India. The Narmada Main Canal is one of the largest irrigation canals in the world. It flows towards the Saurashtra region of Gujarat by a natural gradient, feeding different parts of Gujarat through its 42 branch canals. The Saurashtra Branch Canal is the largest of the 42 branch canals of the Narmada Project Canal System. It offtakes from the Narmada Main Canal near village Karannagar, Taluka Kadi, and tails into the Bhogavatu Reservoir of the Dholi Dhaja Dam near Surendranagar. Saurashtra in terms of topography is like an inverted saucer surrounded by the sea on three sides. The down falls downwards on all sides from Chotila Hill, which is the central point of Saurashtra. The peculiar topography made the access of the Saurashtra Branch Canal deeper into the ascending Saurashtra a practical impossibility, leaving the region under an acute shortage of water perennially. It was the pioneering initiative of the Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Limited, SSNL, and the foresight of the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, which led to the conception of the Saurashtra Branch Canal pumping scheme. The project scope of the Saurashtra Branch Canal pumping scheme required KBL to prove its engineering prowess at multiple execution stages, within the strict boundaries of maximum energy optimization and efficient sustainability. Inconsistencies at every possible level made designing and planning the scheme extremely challenging. Limitations in terms of access and transport, on the other hand, were to pose an active hindrance to the process of execution. A motivated team at KBL rose to the challenge and set upon the task of envisaging what was to be the world's largest pumping scheme. 5 pumping stations were proposed at 5 different locations on the alignment of the Saurashtra Branch Canal. The triple combination of irrigation, drinking water and power generation made the project a unique and viable proposition. The energy requirement of the project was to be partially met with the power generated by the project itself. The whole project plan was optimized to the highest standards, taking sustainability to an all-new level. At the heart of the project was the revolutionary concept in pump engineering, concrete volute pump or CVP. CVPs are vertical shaft or single-stage impeller mixed flow type pumps. The simple mechanical design of the CVP with its draft tube and volute cast in concrete on site significantly reduces the vibration and maintenance. The reliability thus achieved is as high as 99.95%. Also, due to improved hydraulic design, the pump efficiency is usually higher by about 1 to 2%, thus reducing the power requirements. The first CVP in India, supplied by KBL at the Reliance Dahanu Thermal Power Project near Mumbai, has never had a breakdown since its commissioning in 1994. 26 such CVPs with a flow of 72,000 cubic meter per hour each, armed with gearboxes and HT drive motors, were engineered, constructed and commissioned to provide the project with the much needed attributes of lifelong durability and large water volume handling capability. 22 vertical wet pit pumps, also known as vertical turbine pumps or VTP, with a flow of 18,000 cubic meters per hour each, were also installed in combination with the CVPs. Together, the CVPs and VTPs provided the Saurashtra branch canal pumping scheme with a total system lift of 630,000 litres of water per second. Riding high on the wings of innovation, KBL indigenously designed the energy-efficient ARSP system, effecting a saving in motor rating by 8.5 megawatts and energy conservation of 34.96 million units per annum, thereby saving an unprecedented 1.9 million USD of power cost per annum for the Saurashtra branch canal's pumping scheme. The exclusivity of the design led to the award of the US patent to KBL for the ARSP system. The expert and timely intervention of Bhabha Atomic Research Center ensured that the CVP flow measurement was done through the highly innovative isotope method. Adoption of this method ensured that KBL completed the performance guarantee test at site in optimized time with absolute reliability and accuracy, and most importantly, without disturbing the canal flow. Eternal accomplishments never come easy, and the Saurashtra branch canal pumping scheme was no exception to the fact. From excavation through construction and erection up to commissioning, each stage of the process required inputs at a mammoth scale to transform this concept into a functional reality, which had the potential to bring 540,000 hectares of land under irrigation, provide clean drinking water to 13 million people in 4,620 towns and villages of Saurashtra. The pumping station number 1 was inaugurated by the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Mr. Narendra Modi, on the 20th of March 2007. Subsequently, the project was successfully handed over to the Government of Gujarat after completing all contractual obligations. Women and children do not risk safety or waste precious time on procuring water anymore. They receive clean and healthy water in the safe confines of their homes. The time saved from endless travel in pursuit of water now finds a constructive purpose to attain education, life skills, employment, and livelihood. Reduced ground salinity and contamination has had a positive impact on general health in the region, particularly in case of women and children. The availability of water for irrigation has positively impacted the agricultural produce in this region. Increased cropping of tomatoes, onions and cash crops like cotton and cumin have ushered in an era of wealth and prosperity. Today, the Saurashtra branch canal pumping scheme stands tall in humility, pumping life, energy and greenery into the surrounding geography of Saurashtra, an embodiment of the engineering marvel that it is.